So Dan, business has been going so well, it's time for me to take on a business partner. Now I'm really going to grow, but what do I have to think about?
Yeah, you've got to be careful when you bring on a new business partner. That means added liability and responsibility for you and the overall company. So the first thing I would recommend is think about getting a limited liability company or a corporation if you haven't had one yet. Partnerships are very dangerous if they're not incorporated or organized into corporations or LLCs. The limited liability structure separates your personal assets and your business assets. So if you don't have one of those and you're bringing on a partner, I would highly recommend looking into those.
Okay.
If you do have a company and you don't have an operating agreement, I would definitely recommend that as well. An operating agreement is essentially an agreement between the owners of a company that say how the company will run. They have voting rights and methods. They have distribution rules. They have manager authorities and limitations. Basically, it covers a lot of the issues that are unforeseen between the partners that keep everybody accountable, limit liability between everyone, and make sure that the business runs smoothly.
That's probably a really great reason to use a lawyer to help you to do that and to do these contracts, because there are a lot of what-if questions that perhaps you and your business partner didn't think of. Mm-hmm. Good to think of those things up front, because it's going to mean a lot of trouble. Could mean a lot of trouble if, down the road if you don't do that. So this is just an example of some of the great advice you can get from Dan, and you get a lot more at danielrosslawfirm.com. He has plenty of articles there dealing with everything from contracts to trademarks to copyrights and such. So check it out. You can learn some good things there, and if you need, reach out to Dan, and you can set up a consultation right there on your website, can't you?
Absolutely.
Good. All right. Thanks for joining us.